Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 10 to the power of x squared equals 2 times 100 to the power of x. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 100 to the power of x as 10 squared to the power of x. So I simply replaced 100 with 10 squared. So now we have 2 times 10 squared to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x squared. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can also be written as a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this can also be written as 10 to the power of 2x, or 2 times x. So now we have 10 to the power of x squared is equal to 2 times 10 to the power of 2x. Now I'm actually going to divide by 10 to the power of 2x on both sides. Now these two cancel out, and if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So 10 to the power of x squared over 10 to the power of 2x, this can be written as 10 to the power of x squared minus 2x. And this is equal to 2. So now, if I take the log base 10 on both sides, these two cancel out because the log is the inverse of the exponent. So for now we have x squared minus 2x is equal to log 2. Now I'm actually going to add 1 on both sides. So now we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to log 2 plus 1. Now 1, this can also be written as log 10. So now we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to log 2 plus log 10. Now, if we have log a plus log b, this is equal to log a times b. So log 2 plus log 10, this would equal to log 20. This is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. This can be written as x minus 1 squared. So now if I take the square root on both sides, I get x minus 1 is equal to positive or negative square root of log 20. Now, if I add 1 on both sides, I get x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square roots of log 20. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 2010 is equal to 2010. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 2010 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 2010 to the power of 2010, and this is equal to 2010 to the power of 2010. Now, as we all know, a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? So if this is true, then this also means that a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning that a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to, this can also be written as a to the power of n to the power of m, meaning we can switch the places of n and m. So think of x to the power of 2010 as m in this case, and 2010 as n. I'm actually going to switch the places of these two exponents. So by doing that, I would get x to the power of 2010 to the power of x to the power of 2010. And now this is equal to 2010 to the power of 2010. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b, meaning x to the power of 2010 is equal to 2010. So now to cancel out this exponent, I would need to take the root of 2010 on both sides. These two cancel out, and I would get x is equal to positive or negative root 2010 of 2010. So this is our answer.